Sarah Lee's Deals, and Giveaways here. We got the white noise sound machine, and with this sound machine, what it does is it's a fan sound machine. It mimics like the noise of a fan. Here is your on and off. It has a regular cord you can plug in. It has USB ports right here. You can charge your phone or whatever. And then your timer. You got 30 and then 60, and then that's just off. You can put it on a timer. But this is low sound. And you can adjust by turning it how much sound you want. And then this is, there you go, you can kind of hear it. And then this here is your high sound. You can adjust. Quieter, but there's no airflow really coming out of it. So it's not a fan, it just makes a noise. And there's your bottom, the ports, and see how you can adjust it. And then it just has a simple on and off. So check the link below on how to order one of these today if they will help you sleep. Thank you.